Right then, I've just got these arrived today. It's the Cardo Packtalk Bold Duo. This is the 2019 model with the JBL speakers. Got them off of eBay. I'll put the link down in the description. Paid $3.99, which for the JBL ones was the cheapest I could find them. Came from a seller called Moto Outlet UK. I believe they're based up in London. I emailed the guy first, or sent him a message via eBay, asking if these were definitely the 2019 model with the JBL. Answered almost within an hour, confirmed they were. I ordered them, and because it was Easter, I ordered them on Bank Holiday Monday afternoon. Tuesday they were sent out, and today's Wednesday, and they've arrived. I did, when I noticed it had been dispatched, I did message him and say, have you got any tracking info? He said he'd get hold of the courier and get back to me. He didn't, but I have to say, it said within 48 hours, and it was. So, anyway, let's get on with unboxing them. Operated by Natural Voice. Let's see how it gets on with my ooh-ah farmer's accent then. Right, very posh. It's awkward doing it one-handed. Open. Turn it round. Ooh. That's because I've tipped them on this side. Now that looks to me as if it's flashing. Yeah, it is, look. Now, this was definitely, it was sealed. Completely sealed. So I know they're brand new, so that's been put in there from the factory like that. So, we have got, obviously, the two units themselves. There's the actual two Cardo units. What else do we get in the box? Cardo sticker. Packtalk Bold pocket guide. That's English, Spanish, Japanese. If you don't speak any of those, you get German, French, Italian. Safety, compliance and warranty. And an installation guide. That's got all the languages in it. So you've got all of that. I think there's only one place I'm going to stick that. Right, two boxes, so I'm assuming they're both got identical stuff in, one for each of these units. So let's have a look. USB charging lead. Looks to me as though it's the same as the... Looks to me that that's the same fitment as Android. Let's see. So you got one of those. You've got the actual mount. That's the one that slides up between the inside of the helmet, between the liner and the actual helmet itself. And then this is on the outside. That unit clips into that then. What else have we got in here? Right, one set of JBL. You know, even feeling them, at the moment I've got one of those Chinese. I think it's a V6 BT1200 intercom system, and feeling those, just feeling the quality of them straight away. What a difference. They're weightier. I guess I won't tip it out. Excuse me. Right, a sticky pad. That's basically, I think, if your helmet won't take that, then you've got the choice of sticking that on, and then the Pack Talk will clip down onto that. Boom mic. I think that's more for open face, or like the modular ones, the flip front. I think you can still use those in the full face helmets as well. 2 alcohol pads. I suppose that's to wipe the inside of the helmet wherever you're sticking things, and also if you were going to use that for cleaning the outside of the helmet, wipe it nice and clean before you stick that. So 2 of those, and here got two square, well, rectangular Velcro sticky pads. You've got 1 square, beg your pardon, got 2 square. These those, if they sit too far, when they're in the helmet in the recess, if they sit too far away from your ears, you can actually pack it out. There's 2 of those there. They sit in there, and then that sticks into the recess, then your speaker sticks onto that. 2 of those, and then you've got your microphone for a full face helmet already sponged up. And that is it. Another box in there. I presume that's identical stuff just for the other unit. So you've got those 2, microphone there, boom mic, the actual fixing bracket, a stick-on fixing bracket, spacers for the speakers, speakers themselves, and the charging lead, 2 alcohol pads. Right, time to get it on the helmet. Typical, it's been pouring down all day, and I think they give rain again tomorrow. If it's not, I might get out on the bike and just give it a go. Obviously it'll only be me, won't be able to do the actual intercom bit. If I can find a way of rigging up the camera to record, I'll do a video on installing it in the helmet as well, hopefully. Right, let's get it in.